Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Daivik Shetty. I will be your orthopedics and physical medicine and rehabilitation subject matter expert. I will be your guide as I navigate you through this beautiful world of orthopedics and this new fascinating world of physical medicine and rehabilitation in the Manipal MedAce app. I cannot wait for all of you to learn orthopedics and physical medicine and rehabilitation through the Manipal MedAce platform because I've included a few distinct and unique features that you've never seen before. I've included a lot of animations, I've included a lot of visual aids, there are mnemonics and also a pinch of humor included. The best part about the Manipal MedAce app is that all of the content, be it the notes, lecture videos or MCQs, have been curated by the subject matter experts, so you will find it easy to integrate through different ways of learning. Also, we've tried to create a space where all of the students, be it the first year MBBS student, can come into this app, be benefited from it, and this app will be their companion right throughout the MBBS journey and also their NEET-PG exams. So come join the Manipal MedAce app and try to learn orthopedics and physical medicine and rehabilitation in a hip, humorous and cranial way.